Namaste, welcome to Monday Bites from Chitrakas. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel and write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today we're talking about ADAS, Advanced Drive Assistant System, which is for the safety of human life, incorporated in automobiles. Normally accidents happen with the human error. ADAS prevents you from getting accident. The safety feature which is adopt cruise control system, which is there for your safety. This with radar, camera, sensors and all works together with ECU, the brain of the car, works and takes care of preventing accident. Like for example, you are on highway with 100 speed lane, and if you're shifting from 100 to 80, it automatically sense and tells you that you are moving from one lane to another lane and sees that you are back onto the old lane, the 100 lane. Same way, if it also keeps a safe distance between the front car and maintains the distance, which saves you from accident. Then the other feature is anti-glare headlights. Normally in night, accident happen when there is extra glare coming and hitting the eyes and you can't see something and you do an accident. This anti-glare with the sensors help that when it is needed more, the light is needed more, it gives you more. When it is required less, it will give less. This ADAS feature will help you to drive safe in the night. Then automated parking system with 360D camera, which is very useful when you're parking in the night or when you're parking in a parking lot where there is less space in malls and etc. So it even covers the black spots or blind spot, what we call, when you're parking. So see that the car doesn't get any scratches, etc. These are the features which are part of ADAS. There are many other features which will be discussed in the next video. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.